Ay, what is up, everybody? Been a crazy last few days. Just been over busy doing too many things. Thought I'd say hi because we're gonna do some micro soldering. And shoot, man, micro soldering is just fun because, like, who the heck does this stuff, right? So what we have here is a Samsung Galaxy 3, 5, 6, 7, 11, one of those. I think it's like a Galaxy J7. We got one of those with a damaged charge port. I don't know if we'll be able to see this damage here. Let's see if we can zoom in. Since this is attached to the motherboard, this requires micro soldering, yada yada. If you've seen some of my other videos, you may be familiar. And we're gonna do one more. Got this phone taken apart, got the board extracted. We got her under the microscope here. Oh, this is so hard. So those pins on the bottom are what touch the motherboard. We're going to remove solder from those. And then on the right and left, those are anchor points. And that's what holds your charge port in there firmly. Gonna remove the solder from those. And then remove the bad charge port. And then we will be replacing it with a nice new fresh one.
And that's where helicopters come from.
We all want to help one another. Human beings are like that. We want to live by each other's happiness, not by each other's misery.
So that was kind of a pain in the butt, right? I got that all removed now. Solder and charge port, just kind of empty missing there. And now it's time to put the new one on.
And that's where helicopters come from.
All right, so we got that attached. Let's check out what the pins look like here under here. Come on, let me get some autofocus. Boom. All right, so we got brand new charge port attached with the anchors on the left and right. And then the pins right there down in the center on the bottom. So now it's time to throw this guy back into the phone. All right. I temporarily installed the screen here so that we could test this out. And I always get a kick out of testing out things live, like, well, quote live, but not trying to fake it. So this is the first time I'm testing this out, and I do this because, well, we're not perfect, and not every time I do something, it works. So, we got our micro USB here. We're going to go ahead and input to phone. Oh, baby. Looks like it's working. We've got the charging screen on the phone, indicating that it's taking a charge. And then if we come over here, we've got our handy-dandy little ammeter for amperage. On the top left, we got our voltage, which is usually around 5. 4.8 is good still. On the top right corner, we got our amperage, which for like iPhones, it's 1 amp. For Android phones, it's generally above 1 amp. All Samsung phones for a long time were 2 amp, and now it's all kind of crazy helter-skelter, and then there's quick charging involved and all kinds of crazy stuff. But 1.2, very good, very good. That is within spec here for us. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this baby on. Drop voltage, or drop amperage, pick up amperage. It's now turning on here for us. Galaxy J7, that's what it was. See, I was right? I think. I don't know. 3, 5, 6, 11, 9, whatever the heck. Yeah, I'd say we're pulling correct charge here. Then let's go ahead and try disconnect, reconnect. Oh, it fell over. Hold on 1 sec. I'll bring it back. Now I'm going to plug her back in. Alrighty, so yeah, we got her turned on and it's pulling correct 1 amperage to 1.3. A clear successful charge port replacement micro soldered onto this phone. But other than that, have a good one.